What's up, everybody? It's your boy here, Jonathan here, aka KleinGuy Jon. Welcome to the channel. So I'm in the back of my van. As you can see, it's dark out. And cool thing, I installed those LED lights. I'll leave it in the description box down below where you can get these LED lights for your van. Right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can't see it. There it is, right there. Anyway. Oh no. Anyway, so today's video is sponsored by nobody but myself. M12 cutoff tool. Took it out of the box. Not out of the bag yet, but let's get started. Alright guys, so here it is. Took it out of the box already right before I started recording. So this is model number 2522-21XC. It comes with three saw blades, diamond tile blade, carbide abrasive blade, and a metal cutoff wheel. Also comes with the heavy duty contractor bag, the dust shoe extractor, and the tool itself, as well as with the M12 battery charger. But I'm already saying stuff, let's get to it. Alright. Pretty cool. This is the first time I actually bought a tool. Well, actually, this is the second tool kit I bought that came with a tool bag. Okay, there we go. I know it's slightly dark, but I gotta do what I gotta do here. It's pretty cold out. So here we go. We got all the paperwork here. You got the one key. Of course, I'm gonna add this to my one key inventory. Then you got instruction. You got the charger and battery. And we're gonna put it in the pack out bucket for now. Along with this little guy. Instruction operator's manual for the cutoff tool. Now always remember, read the manual, which I will be reading. And let's get to the good stuff. Good stuff. So we got the charger. Alright. And we got the 4.0 amp hour battery, which I will be adding to my collection. We're gonna just place that right here, by the way. Oh, and if any of you guys can guess what's in this Milwaukee tool case, let me know. Leave it in the comment section down below. I will do a tool review or an unboxing. I haven't quite opened this case yet. I just got it in last night from Amazon. But if you can tell me what's in this case, I'll do a video on it. Okay? Or maybe I might do a giveaway. Who knows? Let me know. Alright. So we got some little contraption here. We got little tools, Allen key. We got a washer disc here, I guess, to hold the blades in place. So we're going to leave that right there. And then we got the dust extraction shoe. Now, I'm hoping that this will work on my M18 2.5 gallon pack out vacuum. So if I can maybe get a conversion piece to it, or just try it out probably later on. I'm gonna put this guy right there, and then we got the blades, the 3 blades, the abrasive blade, tile cutting blade, metal cutting blade. Nice. Loving it so far. I'm really excited, guys. I don't own a grinder or a type of cutoff tool like this, so this is my first. And I'll have to say this is my first, I guess, grinder as well. So let's open it up out of the packaging. And here it is. Wow. Oh man, this thing is so compact, man. So small. You got a forward and reverse switch here, which I think is awesome. Look at that. Fuel gauge up top. Nice little work light. Cutoff tool. No, this is model number or category number 2522-20. Oh man, let's try it out. Let's try it out. Let's plug in the battery. Now I open up the new battery, and I know these things are like half charged, probably like 50% charged. This is the 4.0 amp hour battery. Unfortunately, at the Home Depot, there wasn't a tool deal to get a toolkit and a free battery. It's only bare tool that they're doing for the M12s. You get a free 6.0 amp hour battery, but there was no tools there that I was really interested in getting, so I got this baby, and for a better price, $149 at Home Depot. That's what they were selling it for, and originally this goes for over $200. Actually, yeah, about $199 for the entire kit, and I got it for that much. So go get it at your local Home Depot. But for now, let's see. Let's give it a shot. I'm gonna sit it down because I only got one hand, ladies and gents. Oh, there goes the work light. Okay, let's see. Yep, 50%, 2 bars. Nice work light. God, that work light is bright. I'm loving that work light. Let's see. Spin it. Nice. That was forward. This is reverse. Nice. Oh, this thing is so compact. Loving it. Loving it. But anyways, guys, I know I'm not going to be able to put on the blade. I mean, I could. I'm not going to. I mean, we can cut something maybe. Actually, I can probably cut something. Let's try it out. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a piece of that 1/2-inch EMT, and we're going to cut it with the abrasive saw. Okay? The abrasive blade. Just focus in on there. There's no focus. There we go. Metal cut off. I'm going to cut it off. Try it out. I'm excited. But you know what we got to do? We got to wear PPE. You know what, guys? I forgot I had the flash off the whole time, so there we go. Okay, so always read your instructions, ladies and gents, and I'm on it right now, so I'm going to pause the video real quick. Okay, so finally got it in. As you can see, I have to firmly tighten it down. Remember not to over torque the tightening, otherwise you could damage the tool. So let's try it out. Alright guys, so sorry for the angle, but here we go. Well, 12. I'm going to go with the forward motion. Not ready yet. I'll go with the reverse. So here we go. First test to cut off. Whoa. That's crazy. It's going to bounce right out. That was pretty awesome. Look at that cut. This is an awesome tool. Freaking awesome. It's still got 50%. Nice. Real nice. I wouldn't go forward because the sparks are going to come flying in the direction, but I gotta say, easy to use, smooth handling, nice cut. Very nice. Let's see if I can just smooth out the... Hold on, let's just go in reverse here. Smooth it out. Does a really good job. Nice. Blows it out real nice. Real nice. Not bad. Still at 50. Real good handle. Let's see if it'll sit. There you go. Just let it sit. Stand on its own. That's pretty cool. Right? Alright, well. Alright guys, so yep, that's it. The M12 fuel brushless cutoff tool from Milwaukee. I gotta say, look at that. Look how smooth that is. Pretty neat. Love this thing already. So I got a lot of channeling, or I should say a lot of chasing walls to do with this thing. So this will definitely speed up the process. So anyways guys, let me know what you think. I know I didn't do any other, I didn't get to use the other blades. So we got the carbide abrasive blade, and we have the tile cutter. Now the tile cutter I might just use for those like masonry, plastered walls, or terracotta walls. So let me know, what do you guys use this tool for? Do you use it often? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Do you love it? Do you just want to throw it in the garbage and say, screw this Milwaukee tool, it's not good enough? Let me know in the comment section down below. I will leave a link to where to purchase this item, this tool, in the description box down below. Alright guys, so that does it. Also, by the way, little sneak peek here. Check it out. Customizing myself. And also we got another one right here on the other side of the door. So pretty cool, huh? Anyway, just a step up. Need some extra space for my other pack out. See, I got a lot of junk in the van. Some stuff that's getting returned to Home Depot. I got a lot of other pack outs. I got to make some room over the weekend. So tomorrow's Thanksgiving, guys. Please, guys, enjoy your Thanksgiving break. Have a great Thanksgiving. Eat a lot of food. Don't get drunk. Stay safe. Be with loved ones. I will see you guys next video, next week. Because I will be cleaning out this van and doing what I can to really reorganize it a lot better to accommodate for all my pack out. No, it's not my van, so guys, don't get it twisted. Oh, this is in the way. Alright, so don't get it twisted, guys. But, they're kind of letting me just, do what I got to do to make some room in this van to carry more material. I did this myself. I actually got 2 more pieces of this 5/8 wood in somewhere out there in the back. I got like 2 more pieces that I'm going to actually use up against the partition and reinforce it. Put probably another pack out mounting plate. Put some pack out, some of my pack out cases in the back. I just want to be more organized and, make some more space. There's not a lot of breathing room in here, so I'm going to be really busy this weekend. Sorry for not going live this past Sunday. Fiance was home. We wanted to spend a little more time together, So we did. We had a good time. Good weekend. And I'll see you guys next Sunday for Q&A. So enjoy. Also, guys, yeah. Let me know what you think this means. Let me know what you think is inside this case. Just got it recently. Anyways, guys, take care. Have a great Thanksgiving, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.